Hello friends, and welcome to the Enactus Start Your Business course, proudly brought to you by ABSA. My name is Atul Padalkar and I will be your course coordinator for the next 10 modules of this course. The main reason to do this course is to think beyond a job. In other words, to equip yourself with skills that will help you to start your own business and consider starting your own business as a possible career option after you complete your education. The second reason to do this course is to put your education into action. And this is actually very interesting as a journey to do itself. The third, the last but not the least reason is that this course will help you understand how to make money, and in the process you will actually get paid to do so as well. So enjoy this interesting journey and join me on this course. This course is divided in 10 modules, and these are the 10 steps towards starting your own business. These modules are delivered entirely online, and it's a mix of lectures like these. It's a mix of tests which you will find online. The slides and the module guides are also available online, and wherever necessary, we will also supplement it with one-on-one as well as online discussions, which will be done through the chat forum of this course. The objective of this module is to help you understand yourself as a person, and this is important because before you embark on your journey as an entrepreneur, it's important to understand yourself from deep within. We start off by asking the question, who are you? The answer to this question, who are you, is very important. And it's important because it gives you an insight into what is the kind of person that you are, what are your strengths and weaknesses, and what is it that you want to accomplish. Once you've understood who you are as a person, you need to move on towards the second important quality of an entrepreneur. And this is learning to listen to yourself. Learning to listen to yourself, of course. It's important because as an entrepreneur, you will be on a journey which is pretty much lonely. And the one voice that you will listen to in this lonely journey is most likely and most often going to be your own voice. Some people call this the voice of your conscience. But as an entrepreneur, it's very important to be tuned in to your own inner voice, because from time to time, you will get people saying go left, go right, go up, go down, and all different kinds of suggestions and all different kinds of options. But at the end of the day, the person who knows which way to go best is yourself. And that is the reason why you need to be able to listen to yourself very closely first. And when you learn to listen to yourself and tune into your own voice, you will be able to take some of the best decisions as you embark on this journey. Once you've learned how to listen to the little inner voice of yourself, you will understand that you have begun the process of self-discovery. After this process, you will find you will become a lot much more confident, and you will actually discover what is the kind of person that you would really like to become as. This is where you start really moving onwards on your journey to become an entrepreneur. You will also find that in many cases, when entrepreneurs start a new business, the main reason why they start a new business is not what you think they actually started a new business for. If you ask any of the successful entrepreneurs, why did they start a new business? In most cases, they will not answer the question by saying, I started a new business because I wanted to make more money. The reason they'll most probably give you is because they will say, I wanted to change the way things are, I found a new opportunity, and so forth. So starting a new business just for the sake of making money is one of the worst reasons to start a new business. But some of the better reasons are if you want to make a difference and if you want to change the world as it stands today. If you want to make a difference, that is a good reason to start your own business. Many people think that it's not easy to start a business in today's times, and that's quite understandable. if you see that the majority of the businesses fail within the first 2 to 3 years of their life, one understands that many people start a business but not often for the right reasons. And also, they may not really go about doing their business in the right way. So, it's important to understand that you need to see your opportunities to be larger than your obstacles, and you need to conquer your obstacles by using the right blend of your talent, your technique, and your temperament, so that these are able to overcome any possible obstacles that you might face. Is it easy to become an entrepreneur in today's times? I wouldn't say it's very easy, but it's not as difficult as it was once upon a time. Because in today's times, you have some of the best possible entrepreneurial training that's accessible, you have some of the best possible literature that is available, and you have a lot of support mechanisms from the government, from the private sector, from the corporate sector, which can make your path towards entrepreneurship so much easier. In fact, in today's times, it doesn't really matter whether you're black or white or colored or staying where and which province or what background you come from. It doesn't just really matter at all. Because when we study successful entrepreneur, we find that they come from almost any possible kind of background, any economic strata, or any race or gender for that matter. As we conclude our first module, which is doing the inside job, we close by asking 3 key questions to think through before we start the second module. The first question is, what is the purpose of your life? What is the kind of work that you would like to do? How can you make yourself more useful to the society and community around you? I'll leave you with these 3 questions to think through, and see you shortly when we start the second module. Thank you so much and enjoy your journey.